Hello guys, so how are you all? In this video I am covering the match number 17 which is playing between Hobart Hurricanes versus Melbourne Stars. So guys, this is totally English preview of the Big Bash League. So this match playing on 28th December at 1:45 p.m. in Indian Standard Time at Oval Hobart in Australia. So in this video I will cover all the pitch and conditions, head-to-head comparison, pitch lineup, possible playing 11. So stay tuned, and first of all we will talk about the points tables and current situations of both of teams. So if you talk about the Hobart Hurricanes, he played 3 matches where he won 1 matches. The last match he won from the Melbourne Renegades and won points. And now if you talk about the Melbourne Stars, he played 3 matches but he did not won any matches in this series. Let's move ahead and talk about the pitch and conditions. So this match is playing on Berrywell Oval, Hobart in Australia. If you talk about the pitch conditions, this is totally batting pitch. Total 17 matches have been played on this venue, and which team batting first have won 8 matches and which team bowling first also won 8 matches. So if you talk about the pitch conditions, so toss is not a major factor in this venue, and average score in this venue is 144 is average score. Batting first after winning the toss would be right decision according to pitch behavior. If you talk about the weather report is almost normal in this venue, so no chance of raining. Let's move ahead and talk about the head-to-head comparison of both of teams. So Hobart Hurricanes versus Melbourne Stars, total 19 matches have been played of both of teams, where Hobart Hurricanes won 7 matches and Melbourne Stars won 12 matches in head-to-head comparison. But in current situations, Hobart Hurricanes is more potential compared to Melbourne Stars. Let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. So first of all we will talk about the Hobart Hurricanes possible playing 11, where Caleb Jewell and Matthew Wade probably open the inning. McBride come on first down, Sam Hand, Tim David, Corey Anderson and Nikhil Chaudhary will handle the middle order from the Hobart Hurricanes. Chris Jordan, Nathan East and Riley Meredith will handle the pacing attack from the Hobart Hurricanes, and Patrick Dolly will handle the spinning attack from the Hobart Hurricanes. Let's move ahead and talk about the opponent team, which is Melbourne Stars. So from the Melbourne Stars, Tom Roger and Sam Harper will probably open the inning. B. Webster, which is the great all-rounder, will come on first down. Glenn Maxwell, Marcus Tonick, Ash Cartwright and Imad Wasim will handle the middle order from the Melbourne Stars. Osama Mir, Harry Shroff and Joy Paris and Jonathan Marco will handle the bowling attack from the Melbourne Stars. So guys, this is totally possible probable playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips, which is more beneficial to create your fantasy team. So guys, looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman would be crucial here. So you can pick top order batsman in your fantasy team, and also the death over bowlers are excellent wicket takers in the fantasy. You can pick the death over bowlers like Harry Shroff, Rolly Meredith. This is death over bowlers of both of teams. And if you talk about the wicket keeping section, best choice, so Matthew Wade is the best choice from the wicket keeping sections. You can pick Matthew Wade because he's a great form in recent matches and series, and top most fantasy point gainer in the series. Guys, if you talk about the pitch conditions, so pacers play major role on the pitch. You can pick more pacer in your fantasy team and generate a good fantasy teams. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy team. So from the wicket keeping sections I am picking Matthew Wade. From the batsman sections I am picking Wright and T. Fraser Rogers. You can also pick Ash Cartwright and replace any players. From the all-rounder sections I am picking 4 all-rounder, where Glenn Maxwell, Marcus Tonick, Coley Anderson and B. Webster. Guys, you can replace Coley Anderson and pick Chris Jordan to replace him. From the bowling sections I am picking Osama Mir, Nathan East, Harry Shroff and P. Dopley. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team, where my captain choice is B. Webster and vice captain choice is Glenn Maxwell. You can turn and rotate and make captain and vice captain to motivate. He is a great choice of captain or vice captain in your fantasy teams. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.